this is question 12, 13 and 14. So we've got to work out the area of this shape. Looks like the side of a house, doesn't it? So what I'm going to do is draw a line along there, and now I've got a rectangle and a triangle, and if I work out the area of this and then this, I can add them together and work out the area of the entire shape. The rectangle is the easy one, isn't it? I can see that it's 6 centimetres multiplied by 11 centimetres. So that's 66 centimetres square. Now I've got here my triangle. So the formula for a triangle, base times height divided by 2. So the base of my triangle is 11 centimetres. The height of the triangle must be 4, mustn't it? Because this whole thing is 10 centimetres and this is 6. So this bit here must be 4 because 6 and 4 makes 10 altogether. So 11 times by 4 is 44, divided by 2 is 22 centimetres. Going to add these together now, the 66 and the 22, and that's 88 centimetres squared. Now I'm going to look at question 13. So I've got here a rectangle with a circle inside, and I've got to work out the area of the shaded bit, which is basically the rectangle without the circle in it. So the first thing I need to do is find out the area of the rectangle, and I'm going to do that by doing 32 multiplied by 17 is 554 centimetres. And now I've got the circle, or centimetres squared I should say. Now I've got this circle. My formula for working out the area of a circle is pi r squared. So I've got the radius, it's 8. 8 squared, 8 times by 8 is 64. I'm going to do 64, and I'm going to use my pi button this time. 64 multiplied by, pi is, massive number there, 201.0619298. You might not necessarily want to write that whole thing down, but let's see. So we've got 544, subtract 201.0619298. And the answer I've got is 34293, etc, etc, etc. Now I'm not going to worry about all of that because the question has asked for it to the nearest centimetre, so to the nearest whole centimetre. Here I've got 342.9, so if I want to round that to the nearest centimetre, which is here, I'm going to round it to 343. Now I'm looking at question 14. Tissue out the way. Right, so area, shape A and shape B are drawn on a centimetre grid. Which one has got the greater, one shape has got a greater area than the other, but how much greater? Well, let's look at A first of all. Again, I'm going to split that into a rectangle and a triangle. The rectangle has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimetres squared. Now I'm going to look at the triangle. Its base is 1, 2, 3, and its height is 1, 2. So my formula is 3 multiplied by 2 divided by 2. Check that again, 1, 2, 3. Remember, the base for the height of the triangle, I'm not measuring one of the sides, I'm measuring it at its highest point. 3 times by 2 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So here I've got the area 6 plus 3. The area of the whole thing is 9 centimetres squared. Now let's look at this one. Got the rectangle, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the base of the triangle is 4 centimetres multiplied by 2 centimetres divided by 2. So I've got 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So now I've got my 4 centimetres plus for the rectangle plus my 4 centimetres for the triangle. Altogether is 8 centimetres squared. So the area for shape A is 9 centimetres squared. The area for shape B is 8 centimetres squared. It hasn't asked me which one is the biggest though. It said that one is greater than the area, and greater area than the other. How much greater? So I need to do 9 subtract 8, which is obviously 1. So shape A is 1 centimetre squared bigger.